Yeah, we are having some pretty nice weather here for the western half of the state. Temperatures pretty mild, although still a couple degrees above average. We managed to get up to 84 yesterday. The average for this time of year is just 82 degrees. Down in Medford, they continue to stay in the mid-90s, which sounds hot to us, but for them, that's about 10 degrees cooler than they were for all of last week. So they are enjoying the relief as well. Mid-60s for most of the coast until you get up to Astoria, where they did squeak out a 70 there. And then for Central Oregon, upper 80s and low 90s. Also saw lots of 90s when you head all the way over to Eastern Oregon. Now this morning we are seeing some thunder showers that fired up over the Oregon Cascades here overnight and are now tracking to the northeast, affecting the folks from Yakima down to Pendleton and all the way north up to Spokane, pretty much running along Highway 395 and then along I-90 there into Spokane. We've had reports of thunder and lightning in Pendleton, Walla Walla, Kennewick, and just now getting to the south parts there of the Spokane area. Now back home to Western Oregon, you can see a little bit of that light rain even still remaining there just to the north of Santiam Pass. Could see a little bit more of that developing this morning, but it will all be carried to the northeast because that's where the jet stream's headed. We are seeing scattered clouds right now out of the Eugene Airport. That's just that marine layer, those low clouds we're used to here in Western Oregon. Current temperatures at 51 and the winds are out of the south at about 3 miles per hour, so pretty calm in terms of that as well. Now we have a little dip in the jet stream sitting just offshore here. Nice little trough. That southwest flow is what brought in some moisture and cooler temperatures. The reason for the thunder showers there on the Cascades and the reason why that marine layer has been reinforced here yesterday and will be again today. You can see that on our computer model. This is Precision Cast, and this shows us in the future what we can expect. Those clouds along the coast earlier this morning all the way up to the I-5 corridor, backing up to the beach again this afternoon. Then as we head into Wednesday, those clouds start to push inland with that onshore flow in the early morning hours, moving up the Columbia River there to Portland. Not seeing too much in the Southern Valley, but we will see those through the gaps in the Coast Range up into the Umpqua Basin. A few morning clouds to start the day, otherwise sunny into the afternoon. And then Thursday, you'll notice even less cloud cover, so we're progressively seeing less and less as we head toward the end of the week. Our temperatures will also warm up at the end of the weekend, early into the weekend. Next week, though, we may see some changes moving in with our first storm on the horizon for Monday. So for the coast, we are looking at mid-60s today. Sun breaks on the way for the afternoon. Winds will be from the northwest at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Staying in the mid-60s here all week with overnight lows down into the low 50s. If you are trying to plan a trip out to the coast and hoping for some more sunshine, Saturday actually doesn't look all that bad. For the Umpqua Basin, low 80s today. Sunny and mild for you folks. Winds from the northwest. We'll continue to see 80s today and tomorrow. Upper 70s for Thursday and Friday. So cooling down even further, but then the sunshine and slightly warmer temperatures return just in time for the weekend. Again, a few thunder showers this morning for the Cascades, mainly that's north of Santiam Pass at this point. Central Oregon, again, thunder showers possible, but I do expect those to be north of Madras at this point. Otherwise, you'll stay sunny this afternoon with highs in the low 80s. Dropping down into the upper 70s Thursday, then back into the 80s as we head into the weekend. And for the valley, we're looking at upper 70s and low 80s, becoming sunny this afternoon. And here's a look at that 7-day forecast. Temperatures getting back into the upper 70s here Wednesday through Friday, then low 80s for the weekend, all very mild.